Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And this is of an EONON. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but you can see it there. This is of a car stereo, so to speak, right? Like basically replacing the entertainment system on your vehicle. You see in-car entertainment. And I'm going to do some unboxing. So let's see what comes inside. And by the way, this is going to be a double din stereo. Those that are familiar with it will understand. It's kind of like a universal one that fits kind of like for two stereos in the old vehicles, if you understand what I'm talking about. But let's see how the stereo looks like and what comes inside. See the packaging here, how everything is laid out. Very well protected, so that's good. I'm guessing those are the accessories. That's everything inside the box. And you can see here it's very well protected, so that's pretty good. Get that out of the way. And I'll show you the stereo in a little bit. Let's see what's in the accessories box. So here you can see, kind of showing you how the stereo looks like. You know, it does the navigation, of course, through the Android Auto, and then also, what is it, Apple CarPlay, I believe, and other features of that. I will be doing an installation on an actual vehicle. I'm trying to get a hold of a vehicle now as we speak. This is the user manual. Put it off to the side. And then here, that's everything from that box. Let's see what comes in this package here. Okay. It's a bunch of different little cables here. So I gotta read and find out what all of these are for. A lot of screws, a fuse, etc. And then here's a little thing here. I wonder what this is for. I'll read up on that. In the installation video, I will be explaining a lot more after reading up on everything. And then this one here is for the rear camera. So they give you the rear camera user manual. This is the rear camera itself. You can see here how it's designed. Get that out of the way. And then all the different cables that come with it. So, in the installation video, this will make a lot more sense. So now that we got that out of the way, let's see how the stereo, the head unit, actually looks like. You can see it here. That's the touchscreen in the front. And what I mean by double din, the single din would be kind of like that big. Double din is basically double the size of it. In the car stereos, you'll understand what that means. It's basically replacing the old factory head units. A lot of the new ones already come with touchscreen, etc. But if you have one of the, you know, not so old cars that don't have it, you can replace it with one of these here. And you can see the back part of the stereo here, all of that information. And then of course, this thing here plugs into that, and this goes out to your car. So depending on the car, I'm going to be showing a lot more of this in the installation video. You would have to buy like a wiring harness specific to your vehicle. And in the installation video, I will be showing, you know, depending on the vehicle I get a hold of, how the installation works. So I hope you understand everything that comes with the unit. And then it's good to know that I will be showing a discount code in the description. So if you do decide to purchase, it doesn't have to be this particular unit. It could be anyone from the EONON family. I'll show the website and then show the discount code, and then you can get a hold of one for yourself. Okay, thank you very much.